Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about Chat tool for getting YouTube summary automatically. And if you enjoy this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. With that said, let's get started. So this is the website to download the extension. Link for this website is given in the description. Here we have to download the extension. It automatically adds to our Chrome browser. Now you can go to YouTube website and search for unique developer channel. This is my channel. Click on it and you can view the videos. And see how the extension is working. Here you can see the extension, and it is waiting for response. You can also pause the video, still it gives you summary. Also you can get highlights of the video. This tool will help for getting summary from tutorials, most helpful for the students to learn from YouTube videos.